What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Welcome back. Low Cap Crypto, Ryan Lopez. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. The markets are tanking. There is blood in the streets. Oh, looks like there's some buys here. Well, actually, no, not really. A little bit, but let's see. Today I'm just gonna get straight to the point. Been very busy here. Just gonna make a update about Electra, pretty much. Just kind of talk about a couple things, and let's just get right into it. I don't have the green screen anymore. Don't really have time for that. Just gonna do basic analysis and stuff, and kind of talk about some things. So, Bitcoin is down 6% on the day. It's been kind of tanking down. Yeah, it looks like we kind of put in a top right in that 13,000, and I've seen some different projection things here. It looks like, some people are saying we could kind of be going in a downwards trend, maybe even until the end of the year. So, and it looks like it could play out that way. So it could be a while until we kind of get some more upwards price action. But it's at this point, everything is what ifs. No one really knows what's going to happen. So, like I said before, it's everything. It's just kind of about your game plan, what you want to do. You got to figure that out for yourself. Now let's move on to Electra. So, very interesting price action here with Electra coin. If you have seen some of my other analysis kind of updates on Electra previously, I have, I explained, I call this, I'm just zooming here. This area was this was phase one of Electra, or stage one. It just kind of hovered around, under $1 million market cap, and then it just broke out completely, huge percentage change. I would say this would be into a phase two, stage 3, just boom, the percentage in the market cap, going from 100,000 to 180 million was just insane. So ever since we put in that high in Electro in, first week of January 2018, it's kind of been on the downtrend ever since. There was that little rally in 2018, like May, something like that. And ever since then, it's just been on the downtrend. And let's kind of zoom in here. I think I missed a little bit right there. So looks like, and I'm on right now, sometimes I do like to, I'll put it on, I do like to look at like the Bitcoin, the Satoshi price, and see what, but also I like to look at the market cap too and just kind of see, because trading an altcoin, it's kind of like a double-edged sword. You're depending on the price of the altcoin plus the price of Bitcoin, so it's kind of like there's two variables in there. So the market cap just kind of, it includes like both of the variables. So let's see, there was a low, in December 2018 it was kind of touching down in like around 5 million. Then in like kind of earlier this year, May, we were just kind of approaching that 5 million market cap area, and now for the third time we're approaching the 5 million market cap area again for ECA Electra coin. So I mean, what does this tell me? We're approaching that support line, approaching it again. Looks like it could be a possibility. We could break underneath that market cap level, and let's pull up the Satoshi price here. We're at the absolute lowest in Satoshis ever since 2017. So we are at all-time lows for Electra ECA coin currently. All-time lows. Now, how much lower is it going to go? Nobody knows. Is it going to go to zero? That's a good question. And nobody really knows for sure, really. But I say, if you are an ECA hodler, if you're an ECA bull, I think these are great buying levels. We've only been at this level 3 times before since 2017. 2017 were like the sub sub 1 Satoshi levels, which I don't think we will ever see again. I mean, who knows? Maybe we could, but this current downtrend, I'd say we're still downtrending here, and it could even get lower. So I mean, I think it's a great buying opportunity. I would just keep buying on the way down here, really, because you just got to kind of think long term and have that in mind. 0.000188, that is just like, it has not been at these levels for a very long time. But it could keep going lower, which I think is great, and that it's actually healthy. It's cooling off from that huge, and all the altcoins are going down right now. The whole market is just kind of cooling off. So yeah, I just wanted to make this update short and simple, right to the point. Let's check and see what's going on Twitter. Let me refresh. Make sure, give everybody a follow on Telegram. If you have any questions, Nash is there. He's answering everyone's questions, and he is really helping everybody out. Genova's around too. Coffee and Coins was really doing a lot of action for a bit. He kind of cooled off. I was looking at this guy, Dave the Wave. Looks pretty interesting here. And he's calling for really like an extended kind of correction here, that we kind of topped out at the 13,000. And I forgot where was the one I was looking at. I can't even, there's just all these charts here. This is one he is saying it could be till the end of the year, until we're going to kind of, bottom out on this current like uptrend that we had. So I mean, but you can't really, these charts, it's just like kind of nobody really knows for sure. They're just kind of estimating, they're guesstimating, but yeah, I think it's interesting to get other people's perspectives and kind of see what they're saying. So it looks like there's some buys coming in, a little bit of buying action. And let's just look at, I'm on CoinFalcon currently. So this is the CoinFalcon. We are at all-time lows here on the daily. There's just a big buying candle here, but it's nothing really is for sure. So zoom out. So all right, that's it. That concludes everything for today. Just want to do a strictly ECA update. Let me just pull one more thing here that I thought was pretty interesting before we sign off. Oh, another thing here. If you go to let's see, coin market cap, top mineable coins. Coin market cap is this one. Top mineable coins. This is the filter. This filters coins with their own chain. No tokens, no anything like that. These are the only coins I'm interested in. And if you scroll down, ECA is number 75. Number 75 as far as a coin with their own chain. So keep it up. Things are going good. And I want to just pull up, let's see. And I'm going to end it with a little bit of an update here from, let's see, redfox. I'm sure most of you have maybe seen this update, but this is a good one. I like this update
Hi guys,
here.
welcome back for a weekly update from Redfox Labs.
Check
I'm
this
Ben
out.
Fairbanks, CEO and co-founder, coming to you live from Ho Chi Minh. Thanks for joining us and welcome back. Let's get straight into it, starting off with Electra. So this week, for those of you who have not seen, we signed a partnership with Electra. And what it basically means is that Electra will work with Redfox to basically leverage off of Komodo's technology. That's twofold. Means that they'll be introducing Komodo's technology into their existing chain, which is great news for both Electra and Komodo. And the second thing is Redfox will work to help develop models that will allow revenue streams and also potential future projects to be built out by Electra. And they have hinted at the possibility of using Komodo's technology to create new chains. They also did mention in their press release that that could result in airdrops for Electra holders. So we will keep you updated with those developments as they come to hand, but we will start working with them next month on coming up with the design, the framework, and where we go next. But it is extremely exciting to see that we can take Komodo's technology to another project that is already in existence, and this project has been around for a long time and done some great things. If you don't know about them, please check them out. Second thing is exchange listings.
So that's it. Big news. Their huge partnership, redfox Labs, Bitcoin Benny. He's in Southeast Asia doing all kinds of disruptive technology, unicorn venture startup things. So definitely check that out. And that will conclude everything for today. I would say these are great buying levels. Try to get your cash together, and if you had asked me, I think that this is a good buying opportunity, but I don't want to be responsible for any losses incurred. It's a very risky market. Anything can happen. So that concludes everything for today. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. And make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Low Cap Crypto, Ryan Lopez here. So make sure to smash that like button and spread the word. ECA is going to boom next bull run, whenever it is. Whether it's 1 year, year and a half, 2 years, we're going to 100 Satoshis plus. The technology keeps advancing. Electra Pay is on the way. So, all right, everybody, take care. Have a great night, everyone. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Have a good one.